Hello there, hope everyone is safe and everything is good. This is gonna be a fast tutorial to talk about how to export an image from Photoshop into 3ds Max and extrude it without modeling anything. We will make a whole render without modeling anything. So let's start. Okay. First of all, here's the two examples we are going to work on. Just two calligraphy. I saved them from Google. It's hard to model them or to write them, so we will use the image to enter them or to import them to 3ds Max and make a whole render from it without modeling anything. Okay, so first we will start working on this example. First of all, I will delete the unnecessary items from the image, like this. I don't want the date. Okay, I will choose everything white, just like this. Okay, I will unlock this layer and I will delete the background. Then we will go to paths and I will choose make work path from selection. Okay, good. I will go to layers again. Okay, as you can see, now we have paths like we illustrate them. Okay, so now we just have to go to export and export paths to Illustrator. Okay, as if we illustrate them and we want to import this file to Illustrator, but instead of that we will enter it or import it to 3ds Max. So we can name it here, let's say test 1. Okay, save. And here it is. Now we will go to 3ds Max and import our file, import, and we will choose test 1. I will tell him okay, and here it is. I will put our calligraphy in the center. Great result, as you can see. Okay, I will go to modify. I will delete the border and I will increase the interpolation to have a more smooth lines. Okay, it's by default to 6. I will increase it to, let's say, 50, and that's great. As you can see, our curves are very nice. So now simply I will extrude it. I will add it to, let's say, half centimeter. Okay, and we will have this result. Very nice, is it? Okay, I will rotate it. I will enable the angle snap 90 degree as this, and that's great. Okay, I will add a plane here and enlarge it. Sorry, I will put it on like this. Okay, to align our model to our plane, we can make a line by Alt A and press here. We want to align it on the Z position, so I will make this off and put it minimum to maximum like this. Okay, now in the modifier list I will bend it on the x-axis like this. sure it will be 360. Okay. And we have this result just from an image we got from Google. So now let's make a test on it. First of all, I will align the gizmo. I will press this and center it to the model. I will put it in the 0, 0 like this, and I will add a camera. First of all, I will convert everything to Corona. I will add my camera like this. Go here. Sorry. You can rotate it to the side you want. I think that's fine. Okay, I will go to material and make Corona material. I will make a material for the plane, just a white color. Let's say this. Okay, go ahead. And this I will give it a material from the Corona library. From here, let's say no car paints. I will give it a white car paint material like this. Okay, I will remove sequence from here. And I will start the interactive. And as we see, there is no light in the scene, so sure I will have a black scene. Okay, so now we will add a Corona light. I'll keep it as a sphere, and here a trick. If we add a small sphere, we will have a sharp shadow. If we add a bigger sphere, our shadows will be smoother. So I will add a small sphere and I will increase the intensity to have the result I want. So Corona light sphere, I'll put it here in the middle. Let's say 2 centimeters for the radius, and I will change the temperature for it. Make it warm, 3200. Okay, and I will move it like here. Okay, now I will start the interactive to see what we will have. Cool. Okay, I don't want to see the light itself. I will go to modify. I will disable the visibility, and we will have this result. Okay, we can increase our intensity. Let's see for that. You can check what I told you previously. If we make a bigger sphere, we will have a smoother shadows. So let's go for 10. And sure, we want to decrease the amount. Let's go for 20. See, the shadows disappear. I will make it again for 2, this for 100. We can adjust our exposure from here like this. You can move the light as you want, and the shadows will change as per as we move the light. So I will keep it in the middle. Let's try to make it smaller for 1 cm and increase it to 200, 500. Okay, that's very nice. you can see the result we had. Okay, I will increase the contrast, and that's awesome. Okay, I'll try to, first of all, I will lock the camera and I will try to put some cinematic light, let's say a red and blue lights, to have some contrast in our scene. I think I'm satisfied with the result we did now. I will decrease the intensity of the blue color because I scaled it. I will go to 410. Now it seems that the same power for two colors. Okay, and I will increase this. Let's go for 1000. It's very good. Okay, and that's it. I'm very satisfied with the result. We will make a fast revision with another example, and you can see that we can make anything with any picture we want in a very easy way. So I will stop this now, and I will take our lights. Okay, now we will go to the second example we are working on. First of all, I will crop the unneeded parts in our image. As we did in the first example, I will unlock the layer. I will go to the magic tool, and I will right click and choose color range and choose the white area and delete it. Before deselecting, I will go to paths and make work path from selection, and I will have this result. You can hide the layer and adjust the curves you want. If there anything you want to adjust, you can edit it easily. We can go to here to this tool and press on the vertex and change with the curve like this. Okay, for example, I want to delete this. Okay, I think we've done here. So now we will go to export paths to Illustrator, and I will name it test2 and save. I will go to 3ds Max, to file, import, and we will import test2. Name all, okay. And here's our vector that we've already done with Photoshop. So I will increase the interpolation. We can maximum increase it to 100, and I will delete the border. I am checking if there are any unnecessary items we don't want. Okay, and now I will extrude it. Now we can make another thing. I will copy it as 2 more copies. Okay, and the one in the middle I will scale it a little bit, then I will align it to here, Y position, this one also. Okay, and now I will make the middle one as a corona light. So I will add material corona light material, and this is a trick we can use. I will pick the color of the temperature, since in the corona light material we don't have we can't import the Kelvin temperature we want, so I will pick it from here. I will pick it, I will press on the light, and I have the temperature here, so I will go to the picker, I press it once, then I press it again and drag it to the color. So now I have the same color of the temperature I used previously. And now I will assign it to this, like this, like that. Okay, and now I'll start the interactive. And as you see, we made this another word just from image, and we used another method to make light in it with a very easy way. So now I will render them both, and I will let you see the final image. And that's all, my friends. Thank you for the support. If you liked this video, press the like button and subscribe for the channel, and share the video with your friends. See you next time.